The separate control block diagram is very important one. Not only block diagram, the separate control synchronous motor setup is very important from industrial side, because if any mistakes done inside of the synchronous motor, we won't be rectify the entire system. We will correct only the portion of took the mistake. Okay, so the separate control block diagram setup is very important to see for future working principle. Okay, this block diagram having synchronous motor parallelly separate excitation induction winding. Before this synchronous motor, we could connected one solid state drive system. That solid state drive system having rectifier, inverter, LC filter, then one feedback system. That feedback system is a constant system. Rectifier receive the inputs, three-phase input supply with proper frequency. After receiving this supply, it has to operated as the switching sequences. Switching sequences already I denoted before of you the earlier classes. Okay. After the rectification, the three-phase AC converted into three-phase DC. Output of three-phase DC going to be reached this inductance and capacitance by filtration purpose. This three-phase DC don't have any ripple and harmonic content, so no need to approach this inductance and capacitance circuit. It's slightly passing away this component and get into the inverter as a input. Okay, after enter the inverter, this inverter doing their process of switching sequences slightly converted into proper three-phase AC supply. Okay, that three-phase AC supply which is going to reach the synchronous motor for running purpose. Parallelly, the excitation system of separate control done by the evoke similar excitation of stator and rotor. Meanwhile, one constant system being to connect the parallel of rectifier and inverter. Now the synchronous motor ready to run their position of receiving inputs. After running condition, it will produce a proper speed. We may calculate the proper speed of synchronous motor by using the tacho generator. The tacho generator doing their work, and the speed of output will fed to the inverter. The inverter ready to sense that speed which is correct or not. Okay, after calculate the speed, it may incorrect. It will be correct by this inverter. It may correct. This will be going to transfer the output of synchronous motor. This process is a closed loop process, which means separate control synchronous motor done this work. There are some drawbacks. The drawbacks of separate control is hunting and poor dynamic behavior. Why these drawbacks produced across this operation mean? It will search or it will align number of operation before of this synchronous motor and after of the synchronous motor operation. So this setup from beginning onwards it's wavering their process. So it just produced the hunting one. Then poor dynamic behavior. Our achievement is perfect output. If we want to achieve perfect output, we always doing and doing again and again. Okay, this process done by closed loop system. If it takes lot of rehearsal for producing the perfect output, we must to face less dynamic behavior. Okay, so those two drawbacks is minor drawbacks. So these drawbacks obviously arised from anywhere of motor drive system. So it will be reduced by the way of advanced.